In the middle of Friday's deadly tornadoes, a London family's quiet evening turned into a fight for survival.
Kylie Hill spoke with the family today and learned why they say despite everything, they feel like they have another chance at life.
On a typical Friday night, Vanessa Mullins and her family had just finished playing Scattergories when she and her boyfriend decided to go outside and watch the storm roll through.
I remember I was like looking up at the sky and it was like super quiet and calm, sort of. And then all of a sudden it was like a train was coming.
She says within 5 seconds, their power went out and they took cover in the bathroom.
I remember like trying to look up because I was bent over like this in the bathroom. I like looked up and stuff started falling in my eyes. When I opened the door, there was like a door sideways. I looked up and you could see the sky, like my house, you know, like part of my roof was gone, my ceiling's gone.
And just as things seemed to be over, as soon as she and her family stepped outside, people were yelling they needed to find somewhere safe.
We're like running down the street to try to get to the school, and it starts, you know, raining hard on us again, and we're thinking, oh my God, we just like survived this tornado and now we might get hit by another one.
But night came and went, and Mullins, like many of her other neighbors, had no choice but to put their boots on, pick up the shovels, and start rebuilding, but not without help.
We just mobilized a group of employees and team members that were able to come out and help today. So we're helping in both neighborhoods. We've got 2 different teams deployed in this neighborhood, and we have several other teams in the neighborhood behind us. We have about 60 team members here in total.
Mullins says she wouldn't be able to get through each day without the help from others.
I just feel like I was given another chance because we should have, I don't even know if we should have made it out of that. So I just feel like I have another chance at life to get, you know, just to, and I'm not ready to go anyways either, so I'm not giving up.
Mullins and her family are staying in a hotel for now. In London, Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.